Now, how can you get your iCloud contacts to Android? Let's get started. So, if you have noticed that you have some contacts saved on your phone, like on iPhone or iCloud, well, you can move them over into your Android in multiple different ways, right? So, if you check out the Google Play Store, there are some iCloud syncing. So, for example, there is Sync Cloud for iContacts, and using this, you essentially just sign into your account and just get access to your contacts. It's pretty simple to do, a bunch of favorable reviews and 5 million plus downloads. So you can use this kind of app to get access to your contacts. However, if you still have your phone, like the iPhone nearby, you can export them using an export app like this one and then move them over in a vCard format to an Android and then import that vCard into the Contacts app. So inside of the Contacts, you can click on Manage and Import, and you can use this kind of file type to bring the contacts in. So the two options again, you can use the iCloud Contacts application like this one, or you can manually export your contacts from an existing iPhone and then share the exported file and import it to the Android. So a bunch of different options you have. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it or if you would need a little bit more in-depth tutorial. I'm just showing you the blueprint, but if you wanted to see step by step that you can go ahead and just essentially, leave a thumbs up. Let me know about that. Subscribe and do all of that stuff so you never miss future tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.